Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your INFINIX 60. First, remove a screen protector or a case that could be causing interference. If the case goes over the bezel and touches the screen, it can cause the screen to not work properly, so remove it. If the screen protector is not applied perfectly on the screen but goes off towards the edges, you should also remove it because it has to be completely on the screen. Next, clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. Give it a few swipes. Make sure you keep swiping until there is nothing on the screen, even fingerprints. Next, press and hold the power button until we see the power menu, then press on restart and press it again. Now the phone is restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once it is done. After the restart, as a last resort, update your software to fix touchscreen issues. Go to Settings, tap on INFINIX Note 60, click Check for updates. My version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend updating since this is very important to avoid any glitches, including the touchscreen not responding. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.